Something's not right. You know your body, and you know this feeling. Whatever it is, it just isn't right. You might have even gone to your primary care physician and they told you everything was fine, but you understand you best and still feel that you're not right. I help you figure out what's wrong with your body, whatever it is. My name is Dr. Serena Satcher, and I'm a medical doctor, but I'm also board certified in holistic medicine. What this means is that I can talk to you about both approaches. As a woman, there are times in which our bodies give us signs that can be attributed to various conditions. These include digestive issues, thyroid, blood pressure, anxiety, depression, stress, weight loss resistance, just to name a few. I leverage my combined medical experience to help detect and ultimately resolve many medical conditions that can go undetected. I can act as your medical detective. I partner with you to understand everything you're feeling, both mentally and physically. Then we can begin to go through the process of looking for and zeroing in on the root cause until we figured it out. I'll work with you to develop a treatment plan that may include both conventional and holistic treatments, but provides a comprehensive approach to getting you better fast. You can reach me by going to my website at treatyourselftohealth.com or by reaching me on Instagram or other social media, Treat Yourself to Health. I look forward to talking to you soon.